Do you ever feel like your website visitors browse and then leave and never come back? What if you had one simple page designed to capture their attention and their information while giving them something valuable in return? Today, I'm going to show you an example of how to create a clean and effective landing page in Zoho Landing Pages, and it will be featuring an ebook download as the example offer. Today, I'm going to show you an example of how to create a clean, effective landing page in Zoho Landing Pages, featuring an ebook download as the example offer. All right, guys, if you're ready, let's get into it. Let's talk about the problem. Most businesses rely on their main website to do everything, but visitors often get distracted or even overwhelmed. So without a focused page that captures their interest and guides them to take one clear action, you miss out on potential leads every day. And a landing page helps you simplify the message, highlight one specific offer, and make it easy for people to engage. A landing page is a single purpose-driven page. It helps you showcase something specific like an ebook, a webinar, some free resource, or even a special promotion. Its job is to convert curiosity into connection by clearly stating the value of what you're offering and giving your visitors an easy way to respond, which is usually with their name and their email address in a form. And when it's connected to your CRM, it can automatically follow up and nurture that relationship so that you can focus on running your business. Okay, now let's look at an example. This page was built in Zoho Landing Pages. It's set up to promote a downloadable ebook. First, you have this hero section at the top. This is a clear headline. It's going to state the resource and why it matters. And then you have this visual preview. It's a mock-up or an image of the ebook cover. It helps it feel tangible and trustworthy. You've got some quick value bullets. It could be your table of contents or just a summary of what's inside of the ebook. And then you have this simple form here. It's asking for name and email address. It doesn't need to ask for a lot of information. You want to keep it simple, but you also want to make sure that it is there because this is your call to action. You have a clause here that says, hey, you're giving us permission to market to you, and then they submit the form. What this does is it flows into a follow-up experience, which I'm going to show you right now. All right, so we are going to submit this form. It went directly to the ebook. You can literally download the ebook from this page. You can go ahead and read through it right away, but then it also will send an email. Here's the email that the recipient received. It basically gives them a second opportunity to download the ebook just in case they didn't download it whenever they submit it and it took them directly to the PDF. So they could always go back to this email and download the ebook from here. Now, even though we're looking at an ebook example on this landing page, the same layout or the same concept can be used for any type of offer. So free consultations, checklists, event registrations. The structure is pretty much the same. It's the content, maybe even the layout, the colors, the branding that changes. Now, some of the benefits of using a landing page, it does build trust very quickly. It's offering real value up front. And then it grows your contact list with people who are genuinely interested in what your message is. And then you can let Zoho CRM handle the automated follow-ups and the reminders for you. And it also creates a professional and branded experience that represents your business well. If you are ready to create your own ebook or landing page or both, then join one of our upcoming workshops. We have create an ebook lead magnet using ChatGPT and Canva. We also have build an opt-in landing page for a lead magnet. And then we'll have another workshop that will show you how to create a follow-up process inside of Zoho CRM. These workshops are designed for you to have a working automation in just 2 hours or less. Click the link below to register. And if you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and share it with another business leader who would love to automate their processes. All right, guys, until next time.